The history and future of space exploration. Space exploration has captured the imagination of people around the world for decades. From the first manned mission to the moon to the ongoing search for life beyond our solar system, the history and future of space exploration is a fascinating topic that continues to inspire us. In this video, we'll take a journey through the past, present, and future of space exploration. Section 1. The early days of space exploration. The early days of space exploration were marked by a race between the United States and the Soviet Union to achieve milestones in space travel. In 1957, the Soviet Union launched Sputnik, the first artificial satellite, into orbit around the Earth. This was followed by Yuri Gagarin's historic flight in 1961, when he became the first human to orbit the Earth. The United States soon joined the race, and in 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to set foot on the moon. This achievement marked a significant milestone in space exploration and inspired a new generation of scientists and space enthusiasts. However, space exploration was not without its risks and tragedies. In 1967, a fire broke out during a pre-launch test of the Apollo 1 spacecraft, killing all 3 astronauts on board. This tragedy led to a reassessment of safety procedures and a renewed focus on ensuring the safety of astronauts. Despite the risks, space exploration continued to push forward in the following decades. In 1971, the Soviet Union launched the first space station, Salyut 1. This was followed by the United States launching the Skylab space station in 1973. These space stations allowed for longer missions in space and the study of the effects of prolonged space travel on the human body. The 1980s saw the launch of the Space Shuttle program, which allowed for reusable spacecraft and more frequent missions. The Space Shuttle program was instrumental in the construction and maintenance of the International Space Station, ISS, which has been continuously occupied by humans since 2000. Looking back on the early days of space exploration, it is clear that the accomplishments of the time were monumental and paved the way for the future of space exploration. However, much has changed since those early days, and the future of space exploration is looking even more exciting. Section 2. The Space Shuttle Era. Following the success of the Apollo program, NASA shifted its focus to developing the Space Shuttle, a reusable spacecraft designed to make space travel more affordable and accessible. Between 1981 and 2011, the Space Shuttle program launched over 130 missions, including the launch of the Hubble Space Telescope. While the Space Shuttle era was marked by many successes, it also saw some tragic failures, such as the Challenger and Columbia disasters. These events reminded us of the risks and challenges of space travel, and the importance of continuing to push the boundaries of what is possible. Despite the tragedies, the Space Shuttle era saw significant advancements in space exploration. The ability to launch and retrieve satellites from orbit allowed for unprecedented communication, weather prediction, and navigation capabilities. The Space Shuttle also played a crucial role in constructing the International Space Station, ISS, a joint project between NASA, the Russian Space Agency, and other international partners. The ISS has been continuously occupied since 2000 and serves as a research laboratory and platform for space exploration. It has allowed for groundbreaking scientific research in fields like biology, physics, and astronomy. The ISS also serves as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. The Space Shuttle era came to an end in 2011 with the retirement of the program. While NASA has continued to work on new spacecraft and technologies, the Space Shuttle remains an important chapter in the history of space exploration. Its legacy has inspired a new generation of scientists and space enthusiasts, who are working to push the boundaries of what is possible in space travel. Section 3. Private space exploration. In recent years, private companies like SpaceX have entered the space exploration arena, with the goal of making space travel more affordable and accessible to the public. SpaceX has already achieved a number of significant milestones, such as launching the first privately funded spacecraft to dock with the International Space Station and sending a car into space. The rise of private space exploration has also opened up the possibility of space colonization. Companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are already working on developing technologies that could one day make it possible for humans to live on other planets, such as Mars. Private space exploration has also been successful in making space tourism a reality. In 2021, Richard Branson's Virgin Galactic sent its first crewed flight to space, marking a major milestone in space tourism. In the future, private companies like SpaceX and Blue Origin are also planning to offer space tourism experiences. Another area of focus for private space exploration is space mining. Companies like Planetary Resources and Deep Space Industries are exploring the possibility of mining resources from asteroids and other celestial bodies, which could be used to support space exploration and potentially solve resource shortages on Earth. However, private space exploration also raises some concerns, such as the lack of regulation and potential for the commercialization of space. There are also ethical questions surrounding the use of space for private profit and the potential impact on space environments and ecosystems. Despite these concerns, private space exploration has the potential to play a significant role in the future of space exploration and the development of new technologies. With the continued advancements being made by private companies and collaborations with government agencies like NASA, we can expect to see exciting developments in the coming years and decades. Private companies are also working on developing reusable rockets, which could significantly reduce the cost of space travel. In the past, rockets were only used once and then discarded, which made space travel very expensive. But now, with the development of reusable rockets, companies like SpaceX are able to significantly reduce the cost of launching payloads into space. Another area where private space exploration is making significant progress is in satellite technology. Companies like OneWeb and SpaceX are working on developing constellations of satellites that can provide high-speed internet access to remote areas of the world. This technology has the potential to revolutionize communication and bring internet access to millions of people who currently lack it. Overall, the rise of private space exploration has ushered in a new era of innovation and progress in the field of space travel. With private companies working alongside government agencies like NASA, we are seeing significant advances in technology and a renewed excitement for space exploration. The future of space travel is looking brighter than ever, and we can only imagine the incredible things that we will achieve in the years and decades to come. In addition to the scientific and technological advancements that come with space exploration, there are also important economic benefits. Space exploration has the potential to create new industries and jobs, and to inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. It also has the potential to help us address global challenges, such as climate change and resource scarcity. As we look towards the future of space exploration, it is important to remember that it is a collaborative effort. Government agencies like NASA and private companies like SpaceX are working together to achieve common goals. By working together, we can achieve greater things than we ever could alone. It is also important to remember that space exploration is not just about the destination, but also about the journey. The challenges and risks involved in space travel force us to innovate and come up with new solutions to problems. In this way, space exploration is not just about discovering what is out there, but also about discovering what is within ourselves. Space exploration has come a long way since the early days of the space race, and the future looks even more exciting. From private space exploration to the possibility of space colonization, the possibilities are endless. While there are still many challenges and risks involved in space travel, the rewards are worth pursuing. As we continue to explore the mysteries of the universe, we are reminded of the incredible human spirit that drives us to push the boundaries of what is possible. In conclusion, the history and future of space exploration is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire to explore the unknown. While there are still many challenges ahead, we have come a long way in our understanding of the universe and our ability to travel through it. As we continue to explore the cosmos, let us do so with a sense of wonder and collaboration, and with a commitment to using our discoveries for the betterment of humanity.